Hello students, today we are going to study about representing rational numbers on number line. Do you know what is a number line? Yes, you studied, right? So number line is a line on which numbers are marked. You can mark integers on number line. So in the middle you have 0 that we call as origin. So towards the right of number line we have the positive numbers, and towards the left of number line we have the negative numbers. This is what is a number line. Now we are going to represent our rational numbers on the number line. Okay. So first question is represent 1 by 2 on number line. So we have a number line here. I have marked 0. Why did I mark from 0 to 1? Because 1 by 2 is a positive rational number. You know what is positive rational number and negative rational number, right? Okay, so 1 by 2 is a positive rational number. So I will mark 1 by 2 towards the right of 0. Okay. So here we have 0 and 1. So what you have to do now is, you have to see the denominator of the rational number. What is the denominator of rational number here? You know what is denominator, right? Denominator means the number which is in the bottom. That is, here it is 2. 2 is the denominator. Okay, so that's the first step. So first we have a number line and we mark 0 and 1. Then we are checking what is the denominator and we got it as 2. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to divide this number line into 2 equal parts. Okay, so 2 equal parts. Okay, you should use your scale and make it as 2 equal parts. So I have made it as 2 equals. This is first part and this is second part. You can see this is the first part and this is second part. So I have 2 equal parts here. Now what I am going to do is, this part, this is, so this is after 0 what is the number? 1. So it is 1 by 2. This is half. No, first half and second half. So this is the first one, 1 by 2. So this is the rational number 1 by 2. After 1 by 2, what is the next number? 2 by 2. What is 2 by 2? It is equal to 1. So 2 by 2 it is equal to 1. So this is how you have to mark. First you will mark the number line. So you will draw the number line and mark 0 and 1 on that. Then you will divide into 2 equal parts, and then you will mark it as first one, this part you will mark it as 1 by 2, and here you will mark it as 2 by 2. That's it. Clear representation on number line. We will do one more example. It will be clear for you. So this is the same what we have done. Represent 3 by 8 on number line. So first step what you have to do is, you have to draw the number line, you have to mark 0 and 1. Then now you will check out the denominator. What is the denominator here? 8. So what you have to do is, you have to divide this portion between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts. Right. So here we have, this is the first part, second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts are there. So first marking is 1 by 8. Then it is 2. 2 by 8, 3 by 8, it will go on like that. 8 by 8, what is 8 by 8? It is 1. So here it is 1 only, no? So that 1 we have written as 8 by 8. Both are same. Okay, so you can write 8 by 8 is equal to 1. Now you want to mark 3 by 8, right? So what will you do? So after marking this, what you can do is, okay, just put one cross. Okay, either you can put one cross or you can just circle 3 by 8. So this is, nothing is easy only, don't make any mistakes. Okay, now coming to the next one, represent minus 5 by 6 on number line. So this is a negative rational number. Why is it negative? Negative 5 by 6 or minus 5 by 6 is a negative rational number. So you have a negative rational number. So where will you mark negative rational number? Negative rational numbers are towards the left of 0. So you have 0 means toward this side you will have minus 5 by 6. Okay. So what is the denominator here? Denominator is 6. So you will divide the portion between 0 and minus 1. Before it was 0 and 1, right? So now it is 0 and minus 1. To how many equal parts? To 6 equal parts. So same thing. So then you will mark the it as minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6. So here we have the answer, minus 5 by 6. If you want, you can mark this side also, or only this side is enough. It's your wish. Okay. Anyway, the marking and the distance between we have told it is equal parts, right? So it will be equal. Okay. So that's it. Now next is represent 1 by 4 on number line. 1 by 4 means positive rational number. That means it will be towards the right of 0. Okay. So what you have to do is, you have to draw the number line. You have to mark 0 and 1. Then what is the denominator? Denominator is 4. So what you have to do is, you have to divide the portion between 0 and 4 by 4 is 1 only, okay, into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. So you have 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Clear? Next is 2 by 3 on number line. You can just mark like this, okay. Next, one more question is there. 7 by 4. How will you mark 7 by 4 on number line? So first what you have to do is, you will mark 0 and 1. Then you will divide it into 4 equal parts. So it is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. So when we reached 1, it is only 4 by 4. But what do we want here? We want 7 by 4. So what should we do? You will continue like that. Okay, that equal parts itself, you will continue. 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, 8 by 4. What is 8 by 4? 8 divided by 4. What is it? 2. So you can mark here as 2. So in between 0 and 2, that number is coming. Before we mark till 0 and 1 only, right? But here it is coming beyond 1. So it is 7 by 4. This is how you have to mark. Understood how to do this? Okay. Now what you are going to do is, you are going to do exercise 9.1, 4th and 5th question. Okay. Try to do by yourself. Okay. Thank you.